Okay, students, I am mainly concerned with class 10 students. Okay, because I am going to start the chapter arithmetic progression. Okay, and in your book this is in exercise 5.1. Okay, let us to explain arithmetic progression. We take some examples. Suppose we take a series of numbers. Suppose this be 1, 2, 5, 8, 11. Okay. And suppose for up to 32. And suppose we take 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, like 90. Okay. Suppose we take other example 95, 85, 75, 65. Okay. Or suppose we take -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -7, like this. Okay. Then what we observe here in first, let us say this is the group of this number. Then what we observe here 2, 5, 8, 11, like. Then what we are observing here if we add 3 here in 2, then we get 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Again if we add 3, then we get this number. Okay. Again here we if add 3, then we get this number. Okay. Okay. Similarly here if we add here 10, then we get 5 plus 10, 15. If we add 10 here, then we get 25, 15 plus 10. If we add here again 10, then we get 25 plus 10, 35. Okay. Then we are adding here in here 3 and getting next number. Here if we are adding 10, then we are getting next number. Now let us observe this group. Here 95, then 85. If we subtract here -10, okay, -10, then we get 85. If we subtract here, we get 75. If we subtract 10, then we get 65. Okay. Then here in these two groups or series we are adding 3 or we are adding 10, and here we are getting the next number if we are adding -10 or subtracting 10. Okay. If we are adding -10 or subtracting 10, then we are getting next number. Now let us see here if we add here -2 or subtract 2, then we get this here. Here if we subtract 2, we get this number. Here if we subtract -2, we get this number. Then what actually I want to say here, these groups of number are arranged according to the some rule. What is the rule here? Next number 5 is obtained adding 3 into first number. Then next number, third number, is obtained by adding 3 in second number. Here fourth number is obtained by adding 3 in third number. Similar is the case adding. Here is the case different. If we subtract 10, then we get next number. If we subtract here, we get the next number. Then these are arranged according as a rule. what is the rule? If we add or subtract a constant quantity from the numbers, we get the next number. यहाँ आप 3 ऐड कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ आपका नेक्स्ट नंबर मिल रहा है, यहाँ 3 ऐड कर रहे हैं तो नेक्स्ट नंबर मिल रहा है. इट इज अरेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग एज सम रूल. व्हाट इज द रूल? बाय इफ वी ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट a constant term from one, the next number is obtained. Next number is obtained. Adding 3, next number is obtained. Then what is actually arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a succession of numbers. Number succession में है लगातार. Is said to be NAP. A succession of number is said to be NAP if the difference between any term and the term preceding it is constant throughout. क्या है कि आपका ये preceding term 5, इसमें हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? difference of two terms. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is added. Here 8 minus 5 is 3. Here 11 minus 8, that is 3. What we are getting? If we subtract the previous number from the next number, इस नंबर से ये नंबर माइनस करते हैं तो ऑलवेज हमारा थर्ड में से सेकंड वी आर गेटिंग 3. थर्ड माइनस सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट, दैट इज 3. थर्ड माइनस second, that is 3. Fourth minus third, that is 3. Then we can say that if we say T1, T2, T3, T4. T1 means term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4. So when we are adding, when we are subtracting first term from second term, we are getting 3. When we are adding subtracting second number from third, we get 3. If we are subtracting third number from fourth, that is 3. Then this is the constant. Okay, it means it is arranged according as sum rule. This is said to be arithmetic progression. Okay, क्या कि a succession of numbers, कोई नंबर जो है सक्सेशन में है किस तरह का, इज सेड टू बी एन एपी. कब कहते हैं एपी में? इफ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनी टर्म एंड द प्रीसीडिंग टर्म, एनी टर्म एंड इट्स प्रीसीडिंग टर्म, इट इज कांस्टेंट थ्रू. सब जगह देख रहे हैं बराबर है. ओके, यहाँ भी देखिए, आप यहाँ देखिए ये 15 T1, T2, T3, T4. व्हाट इज है? T2 minus T1, T2 is 15 and T1 is 5, then this is 10. Okay, here T3 minus T2, T3 is what? 25 minus T2 is 15, that is 10. Okay, and T4 minus T3, T4 minus T3, that is 35 minus 25, that is 10. This is the constant throughout. Then these are, if these are arranged, if any number of group is arranged according as some rule. Rule is what? The difference of any term and its preceding term should be constant throughout. That is called an AP. And this difference constant throughout, which is constant throughout, that is said to be what? This is called common difference. क्या है कि आपका जो हम ये यहाँ आपका यहाँ कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या हो गया? 3. here is 3 and here CD D is equal to 10. तो जो हमारा सेकंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म और थर्ड टर्म माइनस सेकंड टर्म जो टर्म आता है वो कांस्टेंट अगर हो रहा है तो उसको हम लोग क्या कह रहे हैं? दैट इज called common difference, and this group is called what? Arithmetic progression. And in short, what we say? In short we say AP, arithmetic progression. Then now let us solve the numericals given in exercise 1, exercise 5.1. Then what is the numerical? First numerical. Okay, these are the numerical from NCERT books of chapter 5.1, and let us take the example of first numerical. What is that? In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an AP and why? क्या we have to say, we have to observe in which situation the list given or list prepared by us will make an AP and why. We have to say the reason why it is an AP. If it is an AP, at first what we have to do? We have to find out it is the given list is in AP or not, and if in AP, then how, why. Okay, then question is what? The taxi fare is after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. What is the question? है क्या कि टैक्सी का फेयर जो है, कोई जा रहा है, टैक्सी का फेयर क्या है? फर्स्ट किलोमीटर का 15 रुपीज़ है। 1 किलोमीटर चलते हैं कोई भी जो टैक्सी में है, तो टैक्सी में जो चल रहे हैं उनका क्या है? फर्स्ट किलोमीटर 1 किलोमीटर जाते हैं तो उनको लगता है चार्ज कितना होता है? 15 रुपीज़, एंड देन आफ्टर द टैक्सी ड्राइवर चार्जेज 8 रुपीज़ एडिशनल। मतलब हर अब अगला किलोमीटर जाएगा तो आपको कितना चार्ज करेगा? 8 रुपीज़। देन एट फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर द लिस्ट. Okay, first number, second number, third number, fourth number. Okay, and we have to verify this one is the list obtained is in AP or not, or if in AP, why. Okay, then let us say we say first term is T1 is first term, and this is what? फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए कितना चार्ज हो रहा है? रुपीज 50. ओके, देन सेकेंड वन इज, सेकेंड चार्ज इज व्हाट? 8 रुपीज प्लस, देन T1 प्लस कितना? 8 रुपीज, देन दिस इज व्हाट? 15 प्लस दैट इज 23. देन नेक्स्ट थर्ड में, थर्ड किलोमीटर के लिए कितना चार्ज होगा? 23 प्लस again 8 rupees, that is 31. Okay, and T4 will be what? 4 किलोमीटर में कितना होगा? थर्ड किलोमीटर तक 31 और फिर एडिशनल मतलब 4 किलोमीटर में कितना? 8 रुपीज, then it will be 13. Then list becomes, list is now क्या हो गया? लिस्ट हमारा फर्स्ट 15, then 23, then 31, then 39. Okay, list is what? फर्स्ट किलोमीटर में टोटल he has to pay or she has to pay 15 rupees. Then in next, if he or she travels 2 kilometer, then he or she will have to pay 23. Then if he or she goes 3rd kilometer, then they will have to pay 31, and if he or she again travels for 4th kilometer, then they will have to pay 31 plus 39 rupees. The list becomes what? 15, 23, 31, 39. Now let us see T2 minus T1. What is T2? 23 minus T1 is 15. That is Okay. Now let us see T3 minus T2. That is what? T3 is 31 minus 23, that is 8. And T4 minus T3 is what? T4 is 39 and T3 is 31. Then this is 8. Then what we get? This is a constant number which is D. Okay. Then what we get? We get that T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3 equal to D. That is what? 8. Then this is constant for. Then what we will say that the given list is in AP. ओके, क्या हो गया? फॉलो कर रहा है उस रूल को, तो हम क्या कहेंगे कि दैट बस इज इन AP. ओके.